subscribe the channel and press bell icon. The basic goal of computer is to convert data into answer information. The first computer were programmed use answer machine language. The name of the computer is brain is answer. CPU stand for a series of instructions that tells a computer what to do and how to do is called as answer program. What is the full form of HTTP? Answer Hypertext Transfer Protocol. If a computer has more than one process, then it's now as answer multiprocessor. Which is the most common language used in web designing? Answers HTML. Which operations are performed by RAM? Answer to read and write. What is the full form of GUI in terms of computer? Answer Graphical User Interface. What is the full form of SMPS? Answer Switch Mode Power Supply. Internet language and error is now as answer bug. The three main parts of processor are answers cache, control unit, registers. 1 byte is equal to how many bytes? 8 bits. Which component of computer is also considered as its heart? Answer processor. Verification is the process of answer authentications. Full form of URL is answer Uniform Resource Locator. Which function key is used to check spellings? Answer F7. In computer, which device convert AC into DC? Answer SMPS. What is the full form of RAM? Answers Random Access Memory. Computers manipulates data in many ways, and this manipulation is called as answer processing. Microprocessor is introduced in which generation of computer? Answers fourth generation is an electronic device that processes data, convert into information. Answers: processor. Personal computer can be connected together to form a network. Control, Shift and Alt keys are called keys, function keys. Name of supercomputer developed by Indian scientist. Answer: Pram. The first computer which provides storage is. Answer: ATSEC. A disk computer is also known as a. Answer: personal computer. When your computer stops working suddenly is referred to as. Answer: crash. A portable personal computer small enough to fit on your laps is called as. Notebook computers, same like laptop. A 1 kilobyte is equal to how many bytes? Answer: 1024 bytes. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon.